Starting around 13 July 2023, AMP truly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.04% in most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely critical. AMP in every way that really matters has a truly complete market cap of $85,911,087, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,854,824, which especially is genuinely huge. This in every way that really matters makes AMP, especially positioning at 267 in the digital currency market. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP generally be worth in 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. Is AMP an especially wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a for the most part huge manner? Will AMP cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed especially high in a genuinely large manner? These really are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, which explicitly is genuinely huge. AMP value expectation 2023. As per the AMP estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the AMP cost truly is supposed to sort of cross a normal value level of $0.003, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to be $0.002 in a huge manner. Besides, AMP can in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP value estimate July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of AMP generally is truly anticipated to sort of arrive at an extremely normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.002 and a truly least of $0.002 in a truly significant manner. AMP value conjecture August 2023. The sort of normal cost of AMP could especially go to $0.002 toward the finish of August 2023. Which fundamentally is very huge. AMP could generally be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $0.002, with the for the most part least expected cost of $0.002, which is genuinely critical. AMP value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the extremely greatest cost for AMP could stretch around $0.002 in a very huge manner. Besides, the minimum cost of AMP in September 2023 is $0.002 with an especially normal cost of $0.002 in a genuinely significant manner. AMP value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for AMP could basically stretch around $0.002. Besides, the minimum cost of AMP in October 2023 certainly is $0.002 with a fundamentally normal cost of $0.002 in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP value estimate November 2023. With respect to November 2023, AMP truly is supposed to truly arrive at least value worth of $0.002, so this generally makes AMP sort of positioning at 267 in the digital currency market, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The AMP cost could generally arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0.003, with the typical cost around $0.002 in a quite enormous manner. AMP value expectation December 2023. With respect to December 2023, AMP cost basically is gauged to explicitly arrive at a barely the most minimal cost of $0.002, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The AMP cost could sort of arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.003, with the really normal expected cost around $0.003, which generally is very critical. AMP essentially passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been diminished by 0.92% in its truly current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we truly think about the really current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, in spite of mainstream thinking. AMP basically is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with in every way that really matters other crypto coins in an unobtrusive way. The AMP especially is down to nearly 1.93% in the essentially most recent 7 days, which truly shows that will AMP cost really outperform its unequaled high. which in a real sense is very critical. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for especially past genuinely couple of days. The coin could for the most part have serious areas of strength for of yet. We don't for the most part imagine that it would a productive resource in beautiful momentary in a by and large significant manner. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP really diminished by 49.138%, disposing of an incredible essentially normal amount of $0.002 from its truly current worth, especially further appearance. How these by and large are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, which by and large is very critical. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a decent sort of purchase a potential open door for especially speedy venture, which especially shows that AMP value conjecture August 2023. The normal cost of AMP could essentially go to $0.002 toward the finish of August 2023. Or so they really thought. The 90 days cost change certainly is near 58.40%, and the cost in every way that really matters, circled from a base in every practical sense. Normal cost of $0.005 to kind of greatest by and large normal cost of $0.005 and the beyond 90 days, showing how AMP value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for AMP could truly stretch around $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP generally is somewhere near 34.58% with the very greatest by and large normal cost of the coin in every practical sense was around $0.003, and the truly least genuinely normal cost of basically was around $0.003 and especially beyond 4 months. Extremely further appearance how AMP value gauge July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of AMP generally is somewhat anticipated to in every way that really matters arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between and in every practical sense limit of $0.002 and a truly least of $0.002 in an especially significant manner. AMP value gauge 2023 facts. What will for the most part be AMP worth in 2023? The AMP cost really is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of $0.003 with certainly least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023 in a sort of significant manner. Does AMP have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, AMP truly has an exceptional genuinely potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, showing how AMP truly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $85,911,087, with the